Hi friends, this is Donna with AK Gal Stamps. I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Springfield, Ohio, and I'm coming with you today to bring you one of the cards that we made at Card Craziness this month. So I am using the Friendly Seagulls stamp set. This is just such a fun stamp set. If you like coloring, this is a great one for that. So this is the card that we made. Somebody got some black ink on it from my class, but so I'm going to make another one. But it's not that hard to do. It just takes a little bit of time. But it's a cute little card. So, and I'll share all the links if you do want to get any of the products. I do reward people for buying from me. If you spend $50, you get a pack of embellishments, and I will give you the card kits that I made for this week's cards on my Facebook page. I'll give you kits for the 5 cards, and you'll get embellishments. If you spend $60, you can get a free item out of our celebration through the end of this month. So we will get started. I also use the DSP that is free in Saleabration, and it is awesome paper. It is Bloom Impressions. Oh my gosh, I've gotten like 4 packs of this paper. It is just awesome, and it's free with a $60 purchase. You get 6 sheets, 2 of each for $12. Very pretty paper. So you're going to need a base that is 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. I'm using shaded spruce. You will need 2 white pieces that are 4 by 5 1/4. I did an X on one. That's just the one that's on the front. You'll need a piece of gold paper. And then you will need circle dies or punches, whatever. This is 2.5, and this one is 2 1/4. Which these are available in my online store as well. So the DSP, you need a bunch of rectangles. Okay, you need one that is 4.5 by 1.5. You need one that is 4 by 1.5. You need 2 that are 3 by 1.5, and you need 2 that are 2 by 1.5. And then you cut them into triangle, like these kind of things. These were, well, it's basically like that. And I'll show you, no worries. You take your piece, let's see, we'll do like 4.5, the longest one. You only need 1 of these, and then either way, you can do it this way, you can do it this way, but you just need to do diagonal cuts, okay? So just do diagonal cuts. I just love this card. The gold really gets it to pop. And then you have 2 of these, okay? You're gonna have a total of 12 of these panels. Okay, and then you also get one for an envelope flap in your kit if you took part in this particular group. Some people can't do it in person, so I do send out kits. So we got, oops, excuse me, I'm throwing things around. There's our base. This is going to be stamped on a memento and colored, and this is the one it's the same size, doesn't matter. And I also use some of that black checkered ribbon, which we will color. The important part to this card is the ends, the points have to go in the center, the ends have to hang off, okay? They have to hang off. And I'm going to use a silicone mat because I'm using liquid glue. So I'm just putting some on here, not trying rocket science. You just want the white to be covered. You don't want to see your white. And actually, it's a good idea to kind of play with it before you glue them all down. I should have told you that right off the bat. And it does not matter what the center looks like. Don't worry. Please don't worry about it. Don't stress. This is just really easy to do. You want to have a little bit of a gap, okay? Oop, that's the wrong paper. Wrong paper. I'm trying to find a smaller one, using the bigger ones for bigger coverage. Let's see. We'll do that. And then this. About a 1/16 of an inch, 1/8 of an inch, whatever that is. And these can overlap, okay? Overlap. It's okay, because your sentiment's going to go over the top of this, okay? So this one needs to go. See, it has to cover that corner, so it's got to go that way. And if you have some extras, use your extras. It's all good. Like that. And then we need really a shorter one. A shorter one would be better. I have extras, and I don't really need all these extras, but I have, let me see if I have a short one, because I grabbed the wrong things, I think. Now, these are all too big. All big. But this one's a short one. This is a little bit shorter, maybe. And see, you want this to fill in, so just try and get that in as good as it will be. Just move them around, okay? Because then what you'll do is you'll get your circles wherever I put them. They're here somewhere. See, this is going to go right over the top, okay? So you won't even notice it. Okay, so I'm going to just start gluing these on. I had the first one glued on. So you're just gluing these on, giving a little bit of a break. Okay. So you have two that are 4.5, and you'll have two that are 4 when you cut them in half, okay? You just have to make sure that you can't see them. Okay. Like that. Just to give a little bit your white. You just don't want big gaping white spaces. Those can be for the center if you need that to be done. Okay. Like that. This is going. I'm going to do this on this side. Okay. Because you can always do more of these. The wider part, it's nice if you need it towards the outside when you're going to cut it off, but so it spreads out a little bit. Let's see, green. That needs to cover up the corner. Okay. And now we got the pretty paper again. Pretty paper. Okay. Uh-oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Huh. I have the right amount, but they're not lining up right. How can that be? Maybe we will do this, a small amount of this, so we can use these. We're going to do it this way, okay, and then this way, so that we can have them all showing. So it all works. It all works, okay, like that. That is what we are going to do. Okay. So that is the hot mess. Yeah, it looks like a hot mess, but remember, the centerpiece is going right in the middle, okay? So we got to get this all nice and dry. And we don't, this silicone craft sheet, liquid glue, hot glue will not stick to it. So, no worries. These are all going in the trash. Then I gotta clean these scissors because they're gonna have glue all over them. Trying to get these all piled up here. These are going to be very sticky. This Tombow, I really like it, but it is definitely, whoops, I cut my paper. When it is white, it is tacky. When it is, or it dries. It's a very tough glue. When it turns clear, though, then it just becomes tacky, like if you didn't want to use it. What was I saying? You didn't want to use it. If you want it like for like dots and stuff like that, just let it dry so that it's not clear anymore, and it will be tacky for you. Okay, then this goes right here, liquid glue. Again. Like that. And then that goes on here. Okay. That is good for that. Let's just put these in my little envelope for extras. This is definitely just a wing it kind of project. You just, there's no rocket science to it. So this is going to go like this, and that's going to go on top. So I am going to stamp my seagull. I just had a card party, and these are so dirty, y'all. Oh my goodness. I haven't cleaned them yet. That's Hey Friend. Wow, these are so dirty. Okay. There's that. Mercy, mercy. Okay. So we're going to use Hey Friend. I need to clean the other side of that. When your polymer stamps stop being sticky, you just need to clean the back. That's all. You just need to clean the back. I'm going to go Hey Friend. Oh no, this is French fries. I don't want French fries. That's for the other side. This is the one I wanted. Hey Friend. And this one's not very sticky now. I'm working on it, guys. It's people use these but didn't clean them, but that's okay. I'm going to put this all the way at the top. Hey, friend. Okay, so we'll clean that with my Stampin' Scrub, and I will put that back. Hey, friend. Hey, friend. Okay, now, let's see, what's that one? I used one that had French fries in it, so I think it's this one. That's the one. Man. Okay. Is that going to fit right there? I think it will. Okay. I am using Memento ink for coloring. It works with our blends, which are like Copics. But ours get sold in a pack of 2, a light and a dark. And they blend together. That's why they're called Stampin' Blends, because they do blend. Okay, I'm going to cover this for the moment so I don't get my hands in it. And I think light crumb cake. Seagulls have like a black. I'm just doing a light. What's this? What is this? Smoky slate. Okay, then I'm going to do a line. Just a line. And then we need, this is peach pie, but I'm using this for the French fries. And I'll do a little bit of yellow for the beak. And that is pretty much it. Let's do a little smoky slate, a little bit of black just back here. But that is all we need. They are at least up in Alaska, they are predominantly a dirty white color. Haven't seen them in a while. Whenever we would go fishing out in the ocean or whatever, then we'd come back into the harbor. They always had these long cleaning stations. They were usually on a bridge that connects the wharf or the place, the slots where you parked your boat, to the mainland. I am going to use some dimensionals and pop this up. Oh, but I also need to take care of my ribbon. Before I put that on, we got to take care of the ribbon. And we're going to use the Shaded Spruce blends, and we're going to color it. What? Yep, you can color this ribbon. I'm going to get that end. Yeah, just bring this up. Use the fat tip on the side. You never use the brush stroke, the brush tip like this. You'll damage that tip. Okay, so there's that. And that, I just want underneath this. I want it like this, I think. So I'll just put, what will I put? Glue dot. I'll put a couple glue dots on here. So I have something to stick it to. Glue dots. Glue dots. My adhesive is, my roller adhesive is MIA today. I had my get together, so I don't know. Now I give you plenty of this in your kit, like that, like this. Like that, just like that. Okay, very good. That works. Now we'll take these off. Now if you don't like to color, just do minimal coloring. It's okay. Hey friend, just like that. Covers all that yucky stuff. Okay, and then I'm going to use my ribbon scissors to trim this off. So that's the front. And I am going to use these 2024-2026 in color shimmer gems. And I use these shaded spruce, or not shaded spruce, Shy Shamrock. And I need a little one, just a little one right here, like that. So we got the front done. Let's move all this over. Now, what are we going to do about the inside? Here's my white. Okay, so they also have French fries, okay? So I'm going to put the French fries in, and yes, I'm going to color them. Got to color them. Color those. And clean this. Okay, this. Okay, friend. Okay, I love you more. Man, I'm amazed these are all so dirty. So, where am I? There we are. I love you more than, and then French fries. I got my son-in-law t-shirt like this. Where did my French fry word go? I had it. Oh my, oh, there it is. There it is. It's floating around. Okay, so here's this French fries. French fries. Very good. Now there are seashells that you can put on. Okay, I'm not going to put those all on, but I am going to put some sand. They have something that looks kind of like sand, I think. But you can color this. I don't know if these are supposed to be bubbles or sand. That's good enough. Clear that off. I recommend you always clean these as soon as you use them. So, I have got some red. This is real red. This is dark, which we really don't need to do too much with this. Okay, there's that. Crumb cake. Let's do the bun a little bit darker. There. And this is, we need the light red. Honestly, if you're not into coloring, do minimal. I don't have a lot here. It just depends on how much you want to color. There's that. Color these. Is there something that might be yellow? And maybe a darker crumb cake. I don't really want this dark, but I don't want the sand dark either. Hey, maybe I'll use the smoky slate instead. Wonder how that looks. Not very pretty. Okay, because I really want to use the light crumb cake to this. I think someone did a little bit too much on the tip. If you overuse the tip, yeah, it doesn't work anymore. It just stops working. A friend of mine uses separate blends for his classes. Okay, that's enough coloring, right? That is going to go on the inside of this card, and then we are done. Coloring takes a little bit longer, but not a lot. Not that I don't think I would do a lot of these if I was doing like a swap card. So anyway, that'd be too much. And there's that card. So I hope you give this a try. And I'll see you all the next time. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you really like it, share. That really helps so that more people see these videos. Hope you have a great day. Bye.